In today's video, I want to talk to you about SDXL-Lightning, a brand new research model from Bytedance. It is their own take on quick low-step generations, which advertises usable generations from 8 steps to as low as 2 steps, and even an experimental 1-step model. I will show you quickly how to get this working in Fooocus, so you can test these for yourself. And with that, let's get started. On the SDXL-Lightning Hugging Face page, you can read through the info here or even check out their PDF file to get a better idea at what this does. If we scroll to the bottom, we will see there are 2 workflows available. Right now, there are 2 methods to use this. One is using the UNet model, and the other is using the Lora model. There is no way to load a UNet model in Fooocus that I know of, so we will be using the Lora model method. Go back to the top of the page and click on Files and Versions. Down here, we will see several files. Each of these files is for how many steps you are going to use. Since we are only using the Lora models, you can easily download them all, as they are fairly small files in comparison. Just make sure you get the Lora file of the steps you want to try. Then click on the down arrow and put this where all your other Lora files are located. If only using Fooocus, that should be located in the Fooocus model Lora folder. And now we can load up Fooocus. And let's go to our Advanced Settings and Model tab. Click on a Lora, and let's find one of our Loras. I will choose the 4-step for now. And let's leave the weight at 1. Then go into our Advanced tab, and let's change our guidance scale to 1 and sharpness to 3. Then go down to Sampler, and we want to choose the Euler sampler. Underneath that, we want to change our scheduler to SGM uniform. And last, we want to go down to the forced overwrite of sampling steps setting. Since I am using the Lora designed for 4 sampling steps, I will change this to 4. If you are using the 2 or the 8 Lora, you will put either one of those here instead. Then we will go to settings, and I will change this to 1024 by 1024. That is the standard, and I want to have the best chance for a good outcome, but any resolution is fine. And I will also uncheck random seed, bump up images to 4, and remove the focus V2. This is just for testing purposes and isn't needed. And I will use one of my character wildcards to test this. Now looking at it, you can tell it's not as detailed as usual, which is generally what you get with turbo models and LCMs. But the question is it worth using over either of them? At a quick glance with 4 steps, I would say using turbo model has better results for me. But I think this is better than the extreme speed setting, which uses LCM. Now this is brand new and I have done only a little testing, so these are out of the box results. With more time, there will probably be better setups for this, and we might find that sweet spot where this outperforms everything. I have a couple non-cherry-picked examples just to get an idea of the differences. Again, this is the very first few days of this, and we will see what becomes of it. But at least you have a chance to try it out, if you wish. And that's all I have for you guys right now. I will see you in the next one.